Robot attack in the US, artificial intelligence and robotic technologies are developing a lot. The industry is focusing on the use of robots that are more intelligent, accurate and faster than humans. At the same time, as a side effect, some robots stumble and attack humans. A similar attack took place 2 years ago at a Tesla factory in the US.
A Tesla engineer at the company's Giga Texas factory in the U.S. reportedly faced an attack from an assembly robot following a malfunction, Daily Mail report stated. The incident, which took place in 2021, was revealed in an injury report filed to Travis County and federal regulators. According to the report, 2 employees witnessed the robot attacking their colleague. The robot, designed to handle freshly cast aluminum car parts, pinned the engineer while he was programming software for 2 disabled Tesla robots nearby. It dug its metal claws into the worker's back and arm, resulting in a trail of blood and an open wound on his left hand. The robot, designed to handle freshly cast aluminum car parts, pinned the engineer while he was programming software for 2 disabled Tesla robots nearby. It dug its metal claws into the worker's back and arm, resulting in a trail of blood and an open wound on his left hand. During the struggle, a fellow worker managed to hit the emergency stop button, freeing the engineer from the robot's grasp. However, in the process, the engineer fell a few feet down a scrap aluminum chute.
The attack occurred in 2021 and was revealed in an injury report filed to Travis County and federal regulators. DailyMail.com claims to have reviewed the report. It is worth noting that no incidents involving robot-related injuries were reported by Tesla at the Texas factory in 2021 or 2022. The incident raises concerns about the potential risks associated with automated robots in the workplace. In a separate incident earlier this year, an industrial robot caused a tragic fatality at a vegetable packaging plant in South Korea. Police officials reported that a worker died from head and chest injuries after being grabbed and pressed against a conveyor belt by the robot's arms. The deceased employee was from a company that installs industrial robots and was sent to the plant to inspect the machine's functionality. The plant used 2 pick-and-place robots to package bell peppers and other vegetables for export to Asian countries.